Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. As we're heading into the weekend, it has been a pretty boring week. ADA moved from one support area here in the end of September to the next support area. It did hold both of them. It actually did hold all of these support levels I indicated to you here, and is now on the way higher. However, the big question is, can it finally get to this E-wave target between 30 and 34 cents? That's going to be the big question for the next few days. At the moment, as I highlighted to you, if we can get a high above this third wave high at 26.9 cents, it should get there. Then we have 5 waves up, and then we can count it as an A wave, with then a B wave to come and a C wave rally to complete the Y wave of this E wave. So the E wave is the last wave of the triangle. So there are 5 waves in a triangle. This triangle started in December. We're already in that E wave most likely in an ideal world. Yeah, we have completed the first wave, which is the A wave. That was in April. We have completed the second wave, which is the B wave, in June. The third wave, which is the C wave, in July. The fourth wave, the D wave, most likely in August. And now we could be in this E wave. And so wave D is complete, so we might be in the E wave. It's, however, not crystal clear if we really move higher into this region. As I said to you, be careful with that. It's not a very high quality long trade setup, because in a triangle there is a balance of forces. Yeah, it's very evident, not clearly trending. So it's going to be a rocky road if it works out. I mean, it is difficult, and we can't really see the strong upside momentum that we would actually really need for a, let's say, strong upside move. But it's moving, and it's behaving at the moment. But we will need the follow through above this 26.9 cent level, because if we don't, then this is simply the yellow wave count, which is the alternative, which is also quite likely. Bear in mind, what I highlighted is that a triangle consists of 5 waves. The E wave of the triangle, which is the last one, can be a triangle itself. And that is extremely boring. And this wave count in yellow shows you how that would look like. It's an A, B, C, D, E structure in wave E. And if this is working out, then the price should stay below the 26.9 cent level, come down in a D wave now, which would probably be a WXY structure. So wave W, because we have 3 waves down. The X wave would pretty much complete, and then a Y wave to the downside next week to form the D wave, then the E wave, and then a breakdown. Primary scenario, however, as long as I have no clear evidence for a triangle, at the moment it's just a potential. As long as I don't have clear evidence, I will focus on the white wave count, which would short-term send us higher, but eventually it would still take us to a new bear market low, okay? So I focus on that at the moment, but as soon as we see a break below the 25.4 cent level, which is critical support for this white fourth wave, then I will assume that we are actually in the yellow wave count, okay? The yellow count at the moment is just here for your information. Just here for your information, and it's not really the primary, okay? And we are very close to a breakout now anyway. I think Bitcoin is now moving a little. So yeah, I mean, if ADA breaks above that high, it's very likely we're in the 5th wave. And then maybe let's talk about what are the key targets for the 5th wave. I mean, talking about next resistance, we talk about 28 cents. I think that would be an ideal target for that 5th wave as well. Or if we take the Fibonacci extensions, then it would take us first of all to 27.4 cents. Yeah, and then the next Fib extension level is at 28. So it's definitely a level to watch. There is not much more to add about ADA at the moment. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.